Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you the written pattern for this very easy striped hood. And you work it in a rectangle similar to a scarf, then fold it in half and sew the back seam. You can either sew it or slip stitch to join. And then you just pass a crochet cord or a ribbon through around the neck. And you're going to find the written pattern below in the first comment. So to make this easy hood, you're going to just work 2 rows of single crochet and 2 rows of double crochet. And you're going to work a long rectangle like a scarf. And then you're going to fold it in half and either slip stitch or sew the back seam closed. And then pass a chained cord or a ribbon around the neck section.